From R.D. Sharma, Class 7th, Mathematics, Chapter number 6, Exponent. Exercise 6.1, first question number 1, find the value of each of the following. Now question number 1, find the value of each of the following. First one, 13 square means what we have to do, 13 square, if you have given a square, so you can write a into a. Okay, so if we are given 13 square, so how we can write 13 into 13. So then we have to multiply 13 into 13, which is equal to 169. Here we had written find the value, so we have to change it. 13 into 13 equal to 169. Now here 7 raised to cube. So 7 raised to 3 means 7 we have to multiply 3 times, which is equal to 7 7s are 49, 49 3s are 343. Third one, question 3 minus 5 raised to 5. So question 3 raised to 4. So 3 times we have to multiply, 4 times we have to multiply 3. So 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. Question number 2, find the value of each of the following. Now here minus sign we had given, same thing we have to do, minus 7 into minus 7, 2 times 7, now minus minus, which is plus, the 7 7s are 49, so answer is plus 49. Now same way here, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. 4 times minus 3 we have to multiply. So what is the answer? Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, and minus minus plus, plus 81. Now third one, minus 5 raised to 5. So equal to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, which is equal to here 5 times 5, 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 125, into 5 625, and into 5 is 3 1 2 5. Now what we have to do, we have to put the sign. So minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, and plus minus minus. Now if the power is even, then it will come plus, and the power is odd 5, then it will come minus. So odd number is minus and even number power is plus. Now question 3, simplify 3 into 10 raised to 2. So here we have to multiply 3 into 10 raised to 2 is 10 into 10. So 3 tens are 30, and 30 into 10 is 300. Same way this one also, 2 times 2 multiplied by 5 times 3. Okay, so answer is 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 5s are 100, and 100 5s are 500. Okay, answer is 500. First of all, split all the power, 3 into 3 into 3 multiply by 5 into 5. Now first of all, we'll multiply this, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, multiply by 5 5s are 25. So 27 into 25, the answer is 675. Now question number 5, simplify minus 2 into minus 3 cube. So minus 2 into minus 3, how many times? 3 times. Okay, so answer is, first of all, minus 2 as it is, multiply by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and it is odd, so minus 27. So minus into minus, which is plus. Now 2 into 27 is 4, 2 2s are 4, and 54, plus 54 is the answer. Now here minus 3 square into minus 5 cube. First of all, split up the power. Minus 3 into minus 3 multiply by minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So equal to 3 3s are plus 9 because power is even. Multiply by, here power is odd, so it will come minus. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, which is equal to 9 into minus 125 is minus 1125 is the answer. Now third one, minus 2 raised to 5 multiply by minus 10 raised to 2. So 5 times minus 2, okay, and 2 times minus 10. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 2s are 32. Which 32 minus, because power is odd, multiply by, here even. So minus 100 into 100 is 10 into 10 is 100, minus or plus plus 100, so equal to minus 3200 is the answer. Question number 6, first one 3 by 4 whole square. So how to split this? First of all, 3 square and 4 square. So equal to 3 into 3 upon 4 into 4. So 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 60. Second one, minus 2 upon 3 raised to 4. So equal to minus 2 upon 4 upon 3 raised to 4. So equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 upon 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 plus 16 because power is positive, even. Now 3 raised to 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. So 16 upon 81 is the answer. Now minus 4 upon 5 raised to 5. So minus 1 raised to 4 raised to 5 and 5 raised to 5. So equal to minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So equal to, answer is minus 1024. Minus why? Because here it is odd number, 5 upon 3125. Question number 7. Identify the greater number in each of the following: 2 raised to 5 or 5 raised to 2. Which one is greater we have to find. First of all, we'll split up this. 2 raised to 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. And 5 raised to 2 equal to 5 into 5, which is equal to 25. So 32 is greater than 25. So therefore 2 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 2. Now second one. Now 3 raised to 4 or 4 raised to 3. So 3 raised to 4 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. And 4 raised to 3 is 3 into 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So therefore 81 is greater than 64. Therefore 3 raised to 4 is greater than 4 raised to 3. Now question number 8. Express each of the following in exponential form. Now this one exponential means power form, one is base and another is power form we have to write. Now minus 5 and minus 5. How many minus 5 is this there? Minus 5 raised to 1, 2 and 3. So this is called exponential form. So minus 5 raised to 3. Now here minus 5 upon 7, how many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So what is the answer? Minus 5 upon 7 whole raised to 4. Now this one 4 upon 3, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So answer is 4 upon 3 raised to 5. Easy. Now express each of the following in exponential form. Same way. Now different variable we had given. So first of all we'll write for x. So x how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So x raised to 4 multiply by a how many times? 2 times. So a raised to 2 and b 1, 2, 3. b raised to 3. Here second one minus 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So minus 2 raised to 4 multiply by 1, 2, 3. a raised to 3. Here minus 2 upon 3 is 2 times. So square and 1, 2, 3 is x is 3 sign. So x cube. Express each of the following number in exponential form. Now this one we have to do in exponential form. In the power base we have to write. So what we will write that now here 5, 1, 2. If we multiply 2, 1, 9 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here 2. Total 9 times. So if we will get 5, 1, 2. So what we will power we will write? Here answer I am writing 2 raised to 9. Okay, so 2, 1, 5. If we multiply 9 times, so 2 raised to 9 is exponential form. Now this 625 is easy. We'll just multiply 5 4 times. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and 25 5s is 625. So answer is 5 raised to 4. And this 7 to 9, if we will multiply 3 6 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is 729. So 3 raised to 6 is the answer. Question number 11. Express each of the following number as a product of a power of their prime factor. Now this first one we had given. We have to express in question number 11 the product of a power of prime factor. So here we can do the prime factorization method. Say 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 16 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are. So what is the prime factorization of 36 is 2 1 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. Okay, so how we can write in power? 2 raised to equal to 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 2. So this is called exponential form. Now third one 392. So I am taking prime factorization method. So 2 1s are 2, 1 remain, 9s are 18, 1 remain, 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 1 remain, 8, 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 9, then 7s are 49 and 7 1s are. Okay, this is your prime factorization. So we can write 392 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, which is equal to 2 raised to cube multiplied by 7 square is the answer. Express each of the following as a rational number of the form p by q. Now rational number of the form we have to write in p by q form. This we had given here 3 raised to square and 7 raised to square we have to split it up. Let us do it. Now in first one we just split it up this. So 3 square upon 7 square, which is equal to 3 into 3 and 7 into 7. So which is equal to 9 upon 49. So it is in P by Q form. Now let us do second one. 7 upon 9 raised to 3. So 7 raised to 3 and 9 raised to 3. So equal to 7 into 7 into 7 upon 9 into 9 into 9. So 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343 upon 9 nines are 81, 81 nines are 729. Express each of the following in power notation. So here we have to write in exponential form. So what we will write here, 49 is there. So 49 upon 64 is given. So 7 into 7 upon 8 into 8. So which is equal to 7 square upon 8 square, which is equal to 7 upon 8 whole square. Second one, minus 64 upon 125. So what we can write here, equal to minus 4 cube upon 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64 upon 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. So equal to minus 4 cube upon 5 cube. So equal to minus 4 upon 5 whole cube is the answer. Now in question number 15 we have to just find the value. So first of all we'll just take it out, minus 1 square upon 2 square multiply by 2 raised to 3 into 3 square upon 4 square. So minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 upon 2 2s are 4 multiply by 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8 multiply by 3 into 3 9 and 4 into 4 is 16. Now we can cancel this, 8 1s are 8 2s are 16, right? So answer is 9 upon 8. Okay, let us do the second one. Again here what we have to do, minus 3 raised to 4 upon 5 raised to 4 multiply by 4 raised to 4 and 9 raised to 4 multiply by minus 15 raised to square and 18 square. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81 plus 81 because it is even. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and 125 5s are 625 multiply by here 4. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64 and 64 4s are 256 upon here 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 9, 7 29 and 7 29 9s are 6 5 6 9 multiply by 15 into 15 is plus 225 upon 18 into 18 is 324. So it is equal to, now here we can cancel it. First of all we'll split this, so equal to minus 3 upon 4 of 5 raised to 4 into 4 raised to 4 upon 9 raised to 4 into minus 15 raised to 2 upon 80 raised to 2. So equal to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 multiply by 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 upon 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 multiply by minus 15 into minus 15 upon 18 into 18. Now whichever they cancel, we can cancel it. Okay, 3 3 3 3s are 9, cancel. 3 3, this is also cancel. Now another thing we can cancel. 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 3s are. Okay, then 6 3 1s are 6 6 are 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3 6 are 18. Now 2 2s are and 3s are 4 2s are 3s are. Now another thing, no. So here it is 2 into 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 64. So 64 upon 5 5s are 25 into 81 into 3 3s are 9. So equal to 64 upon 1825225 is the answer. In question number 16, we had given the value of A and B. In first one, just put up the value and find the, see, A is 2 plus B is 3 raised to A means 2. So 2 plus 3 is 5 raised to 2 equal to 25. Now second one, AB 4 raised to B. Okay, so A is 2 into B is 3 raised to 3. 3 2s are 6 raised to 3. So equal to 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 the 36, 36 6 are 216. Third one, B upon A raised to B. Now here B is 3 upon 2 raised to 3. So equal to 3 cube upon 2 cube. So equal to 3 3s into 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2 into 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 upon 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 27 upon 4 is the answer. Fourth one, A upon B plus B upon A raised to A. So what is the answer? 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2 raised to 2. So equal to, first of all take the LCM, this multiply by 2 and this is 3. 2 2s are 4 upon 6 plus 9 upon 6 raised to square. So 4 plus 9 upon 6 raised to square, which is 13 upon 6 raised to square. So 13 square upon 6 square, which is 13 into 13 is 169 upon 6 into 6 is 36. This is the answer. Thank you for watching this video.